Ladies and gentle people, let me introduce you to Jamaican bike life. Whether you're a stunter, a speedy boy, or a casual rider, there's a bike in Jamaica for you. From a 150cc Jamco to a 600cc Suzuki and more. There are a few advantages of owning a bike, like easier maintenance. Bikes are usually easier to maintain than your average everyday car due to their simplistic design and smaller engine size. Bikes also get better gas mileage than cars, yet again due to their small engine size. But don't let their small engines fool you. Another advantage of bikes is their power to weight ratio. An average 150cc Zamco can reach top speeds of 125 km per hour, given the perfect circumstances. You can lane split to reduce your waiting time in traffic, and you're just generally viewed as a cool person if you own a bike. But with all those advantages, let's take a look at some of the disadvantages of owning a motorcycle. Falling off. This isn't something only new riders face. Even the most experienced of riders fall off or drop their motorcycle. You have to remember this isn't a car with 4 wheels. Riding through something as simple as some water or loose gravel, and you're going to lose grip and get thrown off your bike, which can lead to serious injuries. Weather protection. This one is self-explanatory. The lack of a roof and doors leave you totally exposed to the elements. Heavy rains, among other things, would force you into seeking shelter, just like everyone else who is walking. Theft. Again, this is caused by a lack of a roof and doors. If a thief sees an expensive car, he's breaking into it to find anything valuable. But if a thief sees an expensive bike, he's looking to take the whole bike, whether you're on it or not. There are other disadvantages to owning a bike, and I'm just telling you like it is. I'm not trying to scare you, I'm trying to inform you. Every bike owner knows the risk of motorcycle ownership, but they don't let that deter them. It's impossible for me to tell you why people ride motorcycles, because the reason is different for each person. But what I can tell you is that if you've just purchased a motorcycle, you've just entered a community of friendly, loving people. So if you wish, get out there and go enjoy the Jamaican bike life.